How to see the number of Snapchat friends that you have. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to check the number of friends that you have on your Snapchat, there is a quick fix by which you can do it. For this, log in into your Snapchat and tap on the Bitmoji on the top left corner. Scroll down to the list and check on My Friends. This way you can see all the friends that you have. But instead, if you want the number, scroll down a bit and then tap on the Snapchat location or Snap Map. From here, you can check only this friends option and select the friends that you have. That is all the friends that you have. Now once that is done, tap on the save button and come back. And just below only this friends, you will see the number of friends that you have. In my case, it is the 3 friends that I have, but if you have more than that, it will be shown in the similar manner by plus that number of friends. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.